Introducing the NETGEAR Nighthawk WiFi 6 Mesh Range Extender EAX80. With this powerful device, you can add up to 2,500 square featuring of Wi-Fi coverage and connect over 30 devices, such as laptops, smartphones, speakers, IP cameras, tablets, and IoT devices, all at once. One of the standout features of this range extender is its seamless smart roaming technology. You can move around your home or office without ever getting disconnected, thanks to its ability to use your existing network SSID name. With EAX6000 Wi-Fi speed, you can enjoy heavy-duty 4K HD streaming and multiplayer gaming without any lag or buffering. This is made possible through its dual-band Wi-Fi technology, providing up to 6 gigabits per second of performance. Compatibility is not an issue with this range extender. It works with any wireless router, gateway, or cable modem with Wi-Fi, and it is optimized for all Wi-Fi 6 routers. Additionally, it features 4 1-gigabit ports for maximum speed when connecting wired devices such as game consoles or streaming players. Priority is given to your safety and security. The Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Range Extender supports WEP and WPA2 wireless security protocols to ensure that your network remains safe from unauthorized access. Setting up this range extender is a breeze. You can use the Nighthawk app or simply press the WPS button to connect to your router. For optimal placement, you can make use of the NETGEAR Wi-Fi Analyzer app. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. With its sleek design and powerful performance, the Nighthawk EAX80 Stream Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Extender is your solution for a better connected home experience. Don't miss out on extending faster Wi-Fi to every corner of your home. Order yours today. Product dimensions: 7.75 by 4.2 by 10 inches. Item weight: 1.89 pounds. ASIN B07T89YZWD. Item model number: EAX80 to 100 NOS. Customer reviews: 4.2 out of 5 stars with 5,028 ratings. Best sellers rank: number 56 in repeaters. Date first available: September 6, 2019. Manufacturer: NETGEAR. Country of origin: Vietnam.